everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify email address on Discord. So if you also want to verify your email address on Discord, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Discord application if you want. If you have opened the browser, all you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in www.discord.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Discord. Here you'll be able to find the option for open Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find several options. If you want to verify your email address, simply click on the gear icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your email address is not verified, you'll be able to see this kind of message. But if your email address is already verified, you'll not be able to see this kind of message. So in order to verify your email address, all you have to do is go to Gmail. Simply go to New tab. If you're using Google Chrome, simply click on the Gmail option that you can see right over here. Or you can also type in mail.google.com. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find the mail sent by Discord. Verify email address for Discord. All you have to do is click on it. If you do not find this mail, all you have to do is go back to Discord. Click on the option resend verification email. After that, this kind of email will be sent to you. Now here you'll be able to find the option for verify email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here your email has been verified. Simply click on the option continue to Discord. After that, you'll be able to use the Discord again. So that is how you verify your email address on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.